I don't know. Y'all know how I get. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Wait a minute. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? I hope so, cause giddy up. Get on the wig. Get on the wig. I know you're not trying to bark at me. Wait a minute. Now, before we get into this very easy glueless install that you need to see and get, okay? Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. This hot chocolate is hitting the spot because my head is pounding and my stomach is growling. Okay, y'all, so let's get this look together because I got some things I gotta do today and I wanna look cute. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you wanna check it out, you can. This color right here, y'all, is not to be confused with the auburn wig. I know it may say auburn on the site or it may say reddish brown. It's more reddish brown than auburn. The auburn wigs have more of a red tint to it. This one has more brown in it, okay? So this is the reddish brown. Pretty sure I got the 18 inches, so we're gonna go ahead and style her up really quick. Let me cut my lace off the back. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm gonna wear it all out, but I may do a little up style. I don't know. Y'all know how I get. It does come with the removable elastic band, so I will keep that in the unit for now. I do need a wig cap though. I sprayed it down with some oil sheen though, just to make sure it's not pulling on my hair. All right, so let's put the wig on. Dang it, I can't keep this daggone thing in here. Strap popped off. Put this on my head. Ooh, she cold, because I washed it. Okay, surprise. Because it did come with a strong chemical smell, and I also wanted to see if the hair would bleed. It did. So I pretty much washed it until the water was clear. So this is how I was looking after 3 washes with my my dish soap. The hairline is okay, but I'm gonna go in and pull some out just cause, you know, y'all know me. Y'all know me. So I'm pull some out right here at the corner first. Nothing, you know, nothing crazy. Make sure I don't get nothing in my hot cocoa. That'll be trifling. Okay, get that off. Pull some from the ends to make it shorter around my hairline. More than likely, I will rock her glueless, but we will see. This should be fairly easy. We're gonna use our same, you know, curl products. Y'all been asking me to do a side-by-side with my favorite 2 curl products, so I will be doing that coming up in November, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But today I'm going to use my Nairobi. I still need these. Hold up. I didn't put no powder under my lace because I'm putting my mousse on it and we're not wasting product. Cut it off like that. You want to know how to cut the lace off? Use your razor and follow your hairline. Once you do it a couple times, it'll be a lot easier. Obviously first starting out, you're kind of nervous, so because you don't want to cut, you know, any hair off. Did I just cut back into my wig? What'd I do? See, look at me running my mouth and messing up my daggone lace. So now I gotta cut it back a little bit. Take my glasses off, get me a little drinky drink. Where's my mousse? 2 pumps on each side, okay, so 4. I'm learning. That's not enough. Let me do a little bit more. Shh, shh, quiet. Get it around my hairline, like this. Here we go, here we go. I don't have my wig grip and it's actually fitting pretty comfortably right now, so I'm not worried about putting it on at the moment. We looking good. All right, since it's already wet, I don't need to go in all crazy with the separating. Kind of put the mousse on the hair and go. Where my little brush at? In my face. I'm gonna blame it on me needing food. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. The hair did shed a little bit. Get out of my hand. Get off my hand. It wasn't too much though. Did I use too much mousse? Goodness gracious. Maybe able to use some over here. Might as well. Oh, did I show y'all what I'm using? The Nairobi? Okay, Nairobi Wrap and Shine foaming lotion or foaming mousse. Forgot where I was for a second. Hey y'all. Here we go. Ooh, that's wet. Ugh. Let me clip my ends real quick. Got a lot of mousse on this side. This is why I should have had my daggone glasses on, because Clearly, I didn't see how much I was using, even in my daggone mirror. Ooh, get all these together. I can't see nothing. Here we go, here we go. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and diffuse this hair and we'll come back and see how she's looking, okay? Okay, so let's take this off. See how our hairline is sitting? Pretty daggone good. Yeah. I think we're gonna leave that how it is. The hair is still a little damp, so I need to fluff it up a little bit and then go back in to diffuse the rest of it. Let's get this kind of full. This 18 inches, I thought it was gonna be a little bit too short, but I think it's all right. From the root. Look at that side action. Yeah. This looks good so far, y'all. I didn't even blend my lace yet. Not bad. Oh, I got the kitchen. Ooh, just to be more careful. This one, what happened? Why you do that? Why'd you do that? I don't know why you went on. Just disrespectful. Goodness. Put you back. Now my parting space, yeah, you can see my track right there. So I'm gonna have to, let me finagle this without disturbing the curls too much. And just move it on over. Yeah, we'll move it on over. Oh, where'd that come from? I said moving over, not moving up. Come on, get a curl, there we go. Okay, let me fluff it up a little bit. Let me get my hairline together. Just a smidge, excess contour around there. Move it down, there we go. Looking good. Y'all, if you don't have this wig yet, go ahead and pause the video. Pause the video and go ahead and get her, because baby, this looks good, okay? Like I said, this is a darker color than the normal auburn color that you've seen on my channel. The auburn has more of a reddish tint, where the reddish brown has more of the brown tint. So if the auburn was too much for you, go ahead and try this one out. Go ahead and try this one out immediately. I have no negatives for this unit at all. It did take me about, I would say about an hour to get this style all the way from beginning to end. As far as the fluff and everything is concerned for me, I wanted to make sure she was dry all the way, and I'm so glad that I did. I'm so glad that I did, because this looks, oh, this looks good. Ken. Okay, the hairline is looking good, the lace is looking good. No complaints whatsoever about this wig. This looks, the unit is still glueless on my head. Can you see? Look, still glueless, okay? No glue whatsoever. All up in the front, no glue. No glue, y'all. This is, oof. I like this. I like this a lot. Now you know I had to pull her up into a ponytail. Still glueless though, all right? Still glueless on my head. Let me just get my sides together. I put bobby pins on the side over here just to kind of keep it down. Y'all, this looks good. This looks good. How this unit is fitting down on my head, it's big head associate based on the sides, but it's big head friendly based on the actual fit of the cap. Like my big old dome is fitting very comfortably in this unit, but I don't have on my wig grip, and my hair is twisted down flat on my head. So be mindful of that. It more than likely is a perfect fit for 23 inches. But yeah, we looking cute. I'm definitely giving hello Ghostbusters. And I ain't mad at it though. Okay. It does come with a little bit of layers in this unit, so it's not 18 inches one length, it's 18 inches layered. But I'm really liking the layers on me. It looks really good. It makes the unit look a lot fuller than what it is. This is 180% density, and when I washed it, I thought it was gonna be a lot thinner, but it fluffed out really well. So I am here for this, and guess what? I think you should be too. And y'all know Klaiyi comes with a discount, so you know, go ahead and give Daddy Papa a break. Give him a break. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.